This is a family-style recipe for black bean spinach enchiladas, a great meatless meal that's hearty enough to fill large appetites, and it has a wonderful combination of herbs and spices. Now you can substitute your favorite dairy-free or vegan cheese to have a vegan or dairy-free dish. So the first thing you'll want to do is preheat your oven to 350 and spray your baking pan with baking spray. The first half of ingredients includes your herbs and spices, along with chopped onion and oil. I use avocado oil. The second half includes cheese, 2 bags of thawed spinach, 3 cans of black beans, 2 large cans of tomato puree, along with your corn tortillas. Over the sink, place the spinach in a colander and squeeze the liquid from the spinach. Then transfer your spinach to a bowl and set aside. Rinse the colander, and then rinse and drain your beans over the sink in that colander. Add the chopped onion and oil to a large saucepan and saute over medium heat until onion is clear, and then add your garlic and saute for another 30 seconds. Then add your salt and your other seasonings. Then add your black beans and mash slightly. Add your spinach and 1 cup of tomato puree, reserving the remainder of that can for topping the enchiladas later. Take your other full can, your full 28-ounce can of tomato puree, and warm it in a small saucepan. Dip each tortilla in the warm puree and then stack them on a plate. Remove your bean mixture from the heat, and then spoon your bean mixture on top of each tortilla, sprinkle with cheese, roll up, and place in your sprayed baking pan. Spoon your reserved tomato puree over the enchiladas, sprinkle with the remaining cheese, and bake uncovered for 20 to 30 minutes. And there you have it, a super tasty meal that we like to garnish with cilantro and salsa. And yes, this recipe freezes well, a question I'm often asked when teaching gluten-free cooking classes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to receive more great gluten-free recipes.